Today, we're diving into a technology that's completely changing the game for the food we eat. It's called high-pressure processing, or HPP for short. It's a massive breakthrough that delivers incredible freshness and nutrition, and companies like Industry 2.0 are making it happen. So let's get into it.
This right here, this is the core challenge, the big question for anyone making food today. Your customers want food that's fresh, natural, packed with nutrients. But you also need that food to last long enough to actually sell it. For the longest time, it felt like you had to pick one or the other. So, how do you get both? Well, the answer is a seriously cool innovation. It's a technology that lets you have your cake and eat it too, solving that huge dilemma we just talked about. We're talking about high-pressure processing.
Okay, so what in the world is HPP? The most important thing to remember is that it's a type of cold pasteurization. Now, usually, when we think of pasteurization, we think of heat, right? Well, HPP completely flips that script. Instead of boiling the life out of food, it uses incredible pressure to make it safe. No heat means the food stays way closer to its delicious, natural state.
And when I say incredible pressure, I am not kidding. We are talking up to 6,000 bar. That is a massive amount of force. It's this pure physical squeeze that takes care of all the bad stuff. Bacteria, yeast, molds, all without a single degree of added heat. And that means the flavor, the vitamins, everything stays right where it belongs.
The process itself is just brilliant in its simplicity. First off, the food is already sealed up in its final package. Then, it gets submerged in water inside this special pressure vessel. The machine pressurizes the water, and that pressure hits the food instantly and evenly from all sides. A few minutes later, that's it. It's done. You have a fresh, safe product that lasts way, way longer.
So we know how it works, but what's the real payoff here? This is where it gets super exciting, because the benefits are huge for both the people making the food and, for us, the people eating it.
Let's just put them head to head. With traditional heat, yeah, it works, but you pay a price. Vitamins get destroyed, colors fade, and textures get mushy. But with HPP, since it's a cold process, all that goodness is preserved. The taste is bright, the color is vibrant, the texture is crisp. This is how brands get that clean label people are looking for, with zero artificial preservatives. It's a total game changer.
And this isn't just for one or two fancy products. The versatility of HPP is absolutely incredible. It's perfect for those premium cold-pressed juices, sure, but also for ready-to-eat meals, guacamole, deli meats, seafood, all kinds of sauces. I mean, the list just goes on and on. If it's a food with some water in it and it's in a flexible package, it's probably a candidate for HPP.
Okay, the tech is clearly amazing, but how does a company actually start using it? How do you go from a cool idea to a real product on the shelf? Well, that's a huge step, and it's where a partner like Industry 2.0 is absolutely essential.
You see, you don't just jump into massive scale production from day one. You have to test, experiment, and perfect your product. That's exactly where Industry 2.0 comes in. They specialize in these lab and pilot scale systems that are the perfect entry point for innovation, ideal for R&D centers, universities, and any food business that wants to start small and dream big.
And here's a look at that range. You can see they have machines from 5 liters all the way up to 50 liters. This is so important because it lets you start small, play with different recipes and pressures, and really nail down your process without a ton of waste. Once it's perfect, you've got all the data you need to scale up. And notice, all of them hit that industry standard 600 megapascals of pressure. That's the magic number.
But here's the thing. Getting started with HPP is about so much more than just buying a piece of equipment. And that's exactly why Industry 2.0 is all about being a full-service global partner for your entire journey.
They really give you the whole package. It's not just, here's your machine, see ya. It starts with expert consulting to help you develop your product. Then they'll deliver and install it wherever you are in the world. They'll train your whole team, provide ongoing support, and, this is a big one, all their systems are fully certified for both European and US markets. They've got you covered. This quote really just says it all, doesn't it? Their whole goal is to be there from start to finish. From that very first idea in the lab, all the way to keeping your system running smoothly years later. It's a true end-to-end partnership.
So, all of this brings us to the final question. With a technology that gives you better freshness, better safety, and that clean label everyone wants, the potential to innovate is just huge. So are you ready to create the next generation of food? If the answer to that question is yes, then you know who to talk to. Industry 2.0 is that expert partner ready to guide you into the future of food. Thanks for tuning in.